All right, what do we have here?
It appears to be in 1772 the first court west of the Alleghenies was held under this tree, placed by John Carter Chapter. It's a big tree.
Huh.
4 years before the Declaration of Independence, settlers in the Watauga Valley adopted the Articles of the Watauga Association, possibly the first written constitution in North America. John Carter served as the first chairman not only of the association but also of the Watauga Court. This judicial body, probably the first English speaking court west of the Alleghenies, met at this site.
Interesting. So we've got the Elizabethton walking tour. I don't know what the significance is of this 23 is. Maybe the 23rd exhibit, so to speak, on the walking tour.
It is. I'm not sure what the walking tour is.
I don't know. We need to find out some more things about where we live. Okay. It's a big old piece of lumber.